Okay, this is PowerDirector version 16. Let's see how to adjust, let's say, the color saturation of all of the clips on the timeline. Okay, first of all, click one of the clips and go to Fix Enhance and Color Adjustment, and here we have the saturation. Let's increase it to the maximum so that we can clearly see the difference. So the saturation was increased. Okay, and that effect is applied currently to only one clip. There's that orange eye symbol, and the rest of the clips don't have any adjustment yet, no eye symbol there. Okay, so click on this one which has the adjustment and apply to all. Okay, and now all of them have the orange eye symbol and the saturation was increased. Okay, to eliminate that saturation adjustment, simply uncheck it and apply it to all, and the eye symbol disappeared from all of these clips. Okay, but make sure if you have one adjustment on one clip, let's say the brightness was, exposure was brought down, and let's say the other one had a saturation adjustment. If you remove this adjustment from this clip and apply it to all, then the effect from the first clip will disappear also. So if I remove this one and click on apply, that one will disappear also. So apply, and it disappeared. Okay, let's make a more normal adjustment, saturation somewhere there, apply, and it's done. That's it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.